Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I want to show you how to make merguez. Merguez is a sausage, usually from North Africa or different part of Africa. Although the last time that I was in Morocco, I had it and it was done entirely with beef. And often it's done with beef. Conventionally, it is done with lamb. And here, of course, I am of course, for someone which is practicing Islam, he would not put a sausage that I'm putting here, but here I'm doing it with Italian sausage. First, I have a lamb chop here. This is a shoulder chop, and as you see, there is some fat in it, and I want some fat in it to put. So I will remove the bone that I have here and put that in the food processor to do the mixture. So this is about 12 ounces, that chop here. Get as much meat as you can out of it. So it's about 12 ounces with the bone, so about 10 without the bone. And I have a pound of sausage here. Cut that into like half inches pieces. Okay, and I'm going to put that in my food processor. I want to chop it coarsely, and then I'm going to combine it with this. What we want to do is to cut the skin here, the casing. I mean, you can also buy those if you find them without the casing, so that's fine. I do that when we do party in the summer to grill those merguez, which are delicious, done this way, and I often do them and freeze them. Then I'm going to put a good half teaspoon of cumin and chili powder. Yep, a tiny dash of salt, probably half a teaspoon of salt in there. I think it's pretty well mixed. Make sure that it's well combined. As you can see here, the lamb is still showing a little bit. I'll use one of those here, which makes it about a quarter of a cup at the most size sausage. So you mold them, all of them this way. Use a little bit of water in your hand here after to mold them into a sausage shape, and that's how I would freeze it. That's it. Yeah, I'll put some of the sausage to cook. Usually I would do that on the grill, of course, outside. And I'll do the rest of it, and that will take about 4 or 5 minutes to cook. Turn them. My merguez are cooked now. Cook about 6 minutes. At 6 minutes on this, that size. So I put that on the, well, sometimes iceberg lettuce. Here I choose today to put it on romaine like this, crunchy. It's nice. So the garnish here, this way. Then pickled onion. A pickled onion here that go very well with it. So a few slices of pickled onion. And you can do that, of course, with regular sausage meat if you don't want to go through the problem of doing the merguez. I like to put at least one large mint leaves here, and cilantro. So pickle of coriander here. Cilantro, of course, is coriander. Coriander here. course, you can omit the cilantro if you don't like coriander. Some people do not. Here they are, ready. And that's the one we pass around. Here, people grab it and eat like that. So this is my grilled merguez with pickled onion, cilantro, mint. Happy cooking!